In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a watch list in TC2000. Now to do this, it's actually super simple. First, you want to go to the bottom right where by default your watch list should be. So as you can see here, currently I have this empty list and I'm actually going to make a new one just to show you how to do this. So you could just go to the top left of your chart and click on this button, which is called Add to Personal Watch List. And you can just go and click on a new personal watch list and name it whatever. So I'm going to name this one Tutorial. And then you can also add either an image over here. I'm going to put this star over here and then the color as well. For me, it's going to be red. I'm going to click on OK over here. And then you can go down here to the bottom right where you can see you can basically switch it. So just click on whichever one's currently open. Then go to personal up top. And here you can find yours. Okay, so your watch list, your personal watch list. You've now saved it. So click on the tutorial one or whatever it is. And of course, here you can start adding symbols. You could either go and open the symbols over here inside your chart and then click on this button to add the personal watch list and then select it and it's going to get added, or you could go down here and click on the plus button to actually add them like this over here as well. That's also going to work. Or you could also right click and then click on add symbols to list. Okay, you can then search for a symbol over here. So for example, if I search for, I don't know, maybe like something random over here, let's see, if I do for example like this, there we go, I'm going to click on it, add, and it's going to get added on here as well. Okay, now this is automatically going to save for you whenever you create your watch list and actually put things on here. Your watch list is saved and you can basically pull it up by switching to it over here, and it's going to show it down here at the bottom right. So that's how to save a watch list. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.